Nicole from USA. Is there any hope for improvement through new medical discoveries, stem cells, etc.? Well, what shall I say? As far as I know, there has not been many medical discoveries in the specific treatment of the facial palsy complications and the residuals, for a simple reason that unfortunately this particular facial disorder did not receive much attention from the medical society in the last maybe a decade, a couple of decades. Stem cells, I don't think it is something that can really improve the situation at this stage of recovery. Why? Because from our point of view, the recovery of the nerve fibers itself has progressed quite well in the absolute majority of cases. It has probably recovered 65, 85, 95% in your case, but the synkinesis, tightness of facial muscles, and all the other symptoms, they are not directly connected to the condition of your facial nerve. It sounds like a paradox, but initiation of your condition was indeed due to a compromised function of the facial nerve, but the residuals and complications are not a direct consequence of it. It is a consequence of specific changes in the, so to say, management style of your brain in the direction of your facial muscles. The brain during the long recovery period develops a different, let's say, manner of managing your facial expressions on the affected side. And that manner presumes that your facial expressions are generated not in a balanced fashion like it is on the unaffected side, but in a very forceful manner. What I mean by that, during the long recovery period, when your brain was not able to communicate with your facial muscles properly, it would increase the intensity of contraction signals trying to get through. So to say, like it was perceived like the muscles would not hear the brain very well, but the brain would start increasing the intensity trying to get through with their message. Yeah, and that slowly by slowly during the long recovery period from weeks and months and multiple repetitions of the attempts, it becomes a kind of standing order and a habit that your brain develops, and it slowly converts itself into a reflexive motion. That is the thing.